If you're looking for gravy for Thanksgiving dinner, Martinez Montino's first recipe on roasting a turkey suggests this gravy. So let's take a look at the ingredients. So the gravy's made from the turkey liver, some crushed almonds and sugar, lemon juice, stock, and some cinnamon. Toasting up the almonds. Now we're grinding up the almonds and liver, adding sugar and thinning it with stock. Okay, and then now that it's all ground up and thinned with the broth, we're putting it on the heat to boil 2 or 3 times. You have to strain it through the sieve. Okay, so we get the juice from the lemon. Add it and the cinnamon to the gravy and voila! You'll have a rich, sweet, and zesty gravy for your turkey.